A for loop enables you to run a block of code repeatedly with different input every time, and you can loop over things like a list, text, a range of numbers. Let me show you. In this example, we have a list of fruits, so I guess you could call this a fruit loop. The for loop iterates over each fruit in the list, right? Loops over each fruit in the list, and for each iteration, for each fruit, it executes the indented code block. In this case, we simply print each fruit's name, so we can run the code and you'll see all the fruits displayed one by one. Let's try it with a string, which is just programmer talk for text. In this case, the for loop iterates over each character in the string and prints it. You can also use a for loop with a range of numbers to perform work a specific number of times. In this case, the for loop iterates over a range of numbers from 1 up to but not including 6. That's just how the range function works. And for each iteration, it prints the number. And whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, for loops are an essential tool to know about. Follow to learn more about software engineering.